Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. This is GANS production update, and there are some very obvious observations to make here. The first that came to mind, I wish I wasn't in my own shadow, is if I had to make a guess or an educated opinion, I would say these main large striations or lines are the gravitational, and these smaller, more heavily grouped lines are the magnetic representations of the plasmatic in this particular solution. And I come upon that opinion based on this is, if I can get the reflection out of there, you can see the main line kind of goes up down the middle, and there's another one that goes there, and then you can see, so that kind of travels to the heart, being as gravitational as technically the center or the core of plasma. And then if you can see, you can see one that travels around the outside and comes over here, and I think that's an influence to the two of these plates, or two of these GANS collections, that being the plate with the electrical charge, and this being a concentration of GANS at the bottom of that tub. And then over here you can see the magnetic starts to sprout, as you can see the smaller lines, and I wish my shadow wasn't in the way. You can see as they curve here and start to come out around, and I'm assuming they're making that connection with the back of that. I don't know if you can, there you go, you can see them now, and that is, they are slightly curved. You can see it ever so much as they come off, but and even there, as it makes, the interesting thing here is I have two concentrations, and you can see the magnetic attracting to this one, and you can see as they curve here in influence either to between these, which is my guess, but I think it's an awesome observation as to the physical, how should I say it, visual representations of the magnetic in the gravitational, and their influences on their environment and attractions. So that's my observation.